Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Zach.
Hello, Zach. Hi, everyone. I'm Zoe. I was just thinking about Topic at the Breakfast Table, episode 68 today.
Oh, great topic, Zoe. The breakfast table is a small place, but it is full of life.
Yes, it is. Many things happen there. Small talks, big plans, hugs, and sometimes small fights about the last piece of toast.
That is true. Before we start the main talk, a quick request to our friends listening.
Yes, please. If you like our lessons, please subscribe to the English Podcast channel.
Click the subscribe button and click the like button. It helps our channel a lot.
And share this episode with your friends. We want to help more people learn English.
Thank you, everyone. Okay, Zoe, imagine the breakfast table. What do you see?
I see a small wooden table, a cup of coffee, a glass of orange juice, a bowl of fruit, and a little plate with butter and jam.
Nice. And maybe a newspaper or a phone.
Yes, and sometimes a small, sleepy child with messy hair.
That is my favorite picture. A sleepy child who loves cereal.
Speaking of cereal, I remember a funny morning the other week.
Tell us the story.
So last Saturday, I made pancakes. I was proud. I made a big stack. My roommate came to the table and said, "Wow, that looks perfect." Then I walked to get syrup.
And?
When I came back, my dog had eaten one pancake. Yes, one pancake on the floor. He looked at me like I helped.
Your dog is a breakfast thief.
He is. I felt a little annoyed, but then I laughed. It is a small thing. It made the morning fun.
That shows breakfast tables hold small surprises. They are places for real life.
Yes. Let's talk about the language at the breakfast table. Simple phrases we use every morning.
Good idea. I will say a phrase slowly, and Zoe will repeat. Listeners, repeat after us.
Ready.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Did you sleep well?
Did you sleep well?
What would you like for breakfast?
What would you like for breakfast?
Can I have some toast?
Can I have some toast?
Pass the salt, please.
Pass the salt, please.
This is tasty.
This is tasty.
Simple phrases like these help you speak in real life.
Now, let us make a mini scene. Zach will be the sleepy one, and I will be the talkative one.
Zach yawns. I'm so sleepy today. I only had 5 hours of sleep.
Zoe. Oh, no, Zach. Poor you. Do you want coffee?
Yes, please. Strong coffee. Black if possible.
One black coffee coming up. And here's a piece of toast with butter.
Thank you. This helps. I feel a little better now.
Good. And after breakfast, you can take a short walk. Fresh air helps.
That is a good idea. I will try.
Now, some listeners may eat with family, some eat alone, and some eat with friends. The talk changes a little.
Yes. With family, you may talk about plans. With friends, you may chat about movies or music. Alone, you may read a book or listen to a podcast.
And at the breakfast table, it's okay to be quiet sometimes. Quiet mornings can feel calm.
I like quiet mornings, but I also like loud and funny mornings. Both are good.
Let us share 2 short personal breakfast stories, a happy one and a tough one.
I'll share the happy one. When I first learned to cook, I made scrambled eggs for my mom.
Nice.
I was nervous. I wanted them to be perfect. I cooked slowly and added a little milk. When I served them, my mom smiled and said, "Zach, these are so good." She hugged me. I felt proud.
That's a lovely memory. Small acts show love.
Now my tough story. When I moved to a new city, I had no friends. Mornings were quiet and lonely. I ate cereal and watched people through my window.
That sounds hard.
It was. But one morning, I joined a small cooking class. I met people who liked pancakes. They invited me to their breakfast table. Little by little, I felt at home.
That shows how breakfast tables can build friendship.
Exactly. Now, my turn, Zoe. Tell your story.
When I was in school, my dad had morning shifts. He left before I woke up. On weekends, we had breakfast together. We would talk about small things. He taught me how to make tea. Those weekend breakfasts are my favorite memory.
Memories at the table stay with us.
Yes. And now some vocabulary for beginners. Short words we use at the breakfast table.
Bread, toast, butter, jam, cereal, milk, coffee, tea, juice, fruit, egg, pancake, bacon, toast, plate, cup, spoon, fork, napkin.
Now phrases: have breakfast, set the table, clear the table, pass the salt, have a bite, take a sip, make coffee, boil water, fry an egg.
Repeat after us, slowly. Have breakfast, set the table, clear the table, pass the salt, have a bite, take a sip, make coffee, boil water, fry an egg.
Good job. Keep repeating. Now a small listening practice. I will say a short story and Zoe will ask questions. Listeners, listen and answer.
Ready, Zoe? This morning, I woke up late. I quickly made toast and coffee. I spilled a little coffee on the table. My cat walked through the spill and left tiny paw prints on the floor.
Question 1. Did Zach wake up early? Answer: no, Zach woke up late.
Question 2. What did Zach spill?
Answer: coffee.
Question 3. Who left paw prints?
Answer: the cat.
Nice. Simple listening helps your understanding.
Let us give some useful tips for polite breakfast table talk.
Tip 1. Say please and thank you. It is small but polite.
Tip 2. If you need something, say, could you pass the, not give me.
Tip 3. If someone is still eating, wait to start a long story. Short small talk is okay.
Tip 4. Clean your plate and put it in the sink. It helps the house.
Now, a quick fun practice. We will teach expressions for offering food.
Zach, would you like some toast?
Zoe, yes please, I would love some toast.
Zach, do you want coffee?
Zoe, no thanks, I'll have tea today.
Zoe, help yourself.
Zoe, thank you, I will. Nice, those phrases are polite and easy.
Now, some small mistakes people make at the breakfast table and how to fix them.
Mistake 1, talking with your mouth full. Fix, put food down, swallow, then speak.
Mistake 2, taking the last piece and not asking. Fix, ask, is it okay if I take the last piece, or offer to share.
Mistake 3, leaving a mess. Fix, clear your plate or ask where to put it.
Small manners make every breakfast nicer.
Let us talk about breakfast differences. In different places, people eat different things.
Yes, some people eat rice for breakfast, some eat bread, some eat soup.
In the U.S., many people eat cereal, toast, eggs, pancakes, or fruit.
And many people also eat on the go. They take a coffee and a muffin to work.
That is true, but eating together is different. Eating together gives a chance to talk and connect.
Let us give a short practice for making a plan at the breakfast table.
Zach, what are your plans for today? Zoe, I will go to work, then I will meet a friend. What about you? Zach, I will finish a small project, and then I will visit the park.
Simple planning talk. You can use it every morning.
Before we finish, a small mindful activity you can do at the breakfast table.
Yes, I love this. Step 1, look at your food. Notice the colors and shapes.
Step 2, take a small bite and notice the taste. Chew slowly.
Step 3, say one nice thing about today. It can be small, like, I will enjoy my tea, or I will smile.
This simple practice can make your morning calm and happy.
Now our closing practice. We will each say a short reflection about how breakfast tables bring people together.
Zach, the breakfast table is a place where we start the day. It's a place for small talks, for plans, and for memories. Even a small breakfast can make a big day.
Zoe, the breakfast table is a warm place. It's where we share food and feelings. It's where we laugh, sometimes worry, and sometimes celebrate small things.
Thank you for listening to episode 68 at the breakfast table.
We hope you enjoyed the conversation and learned new words.
Please subscribe to the English Podcast channel if you did not yet.
And click the like button. It helps us a lot. We want to help more people learn English.
And share this episode with your friends.
Try a small practice tomorrow. Set the table, say one line in English, and enjoy your breakfast slowly.
Remember, small steps matter. 1 minute of practice every morning grows into strong English.
Thank you again. See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone, and have a lovely breakfast and a great day.